Welcome to Trend Tribe. Today, we're delving into the dynamic world of street fashion, where urban cool meets practical chic. Picture effortless style that effortlessly blends comfort and creativity, making a statement wherever you go. From casual to sophisticated, street fashion is all about versatility and individuality. To nail that city chic look, start with wardrobe essentials like oversized tees, denim jackets, stylish sneakers, and statement outerwear. Mix and match these pieces with comfortable trousers, basic tees, and tanks for a laid-back yet stylish vibe. Don't forget to accessorize to add that extra flair to your outfit. When it comes to trending styles, think vintage revival, streetwear influence, sustainable fashion, and minimalist aesthetic. Embrace these trends to elevate your street style game and stay ahead of the fashion curve. Remember, it's all about expressing your unique personality through your clothing choices. Putting together the perfect street fashion outfit involves layering, incorporating statement pieces, and choosing the right footwear. Mix high and low-end items, play with proportions, and keep it simple yet impactful. Confidence is key when rocking street style, so own your look and strut your stuff with pride. So, whether you're a seasoned fashionista or just dipping your toes into the world of street fashion, these tips and trends will help you master the art of city chic. Stay true to yourself, experiment with different styles, and have fun expressing your individuality through your fashion choices. Thanks for tuning in to Trend Tribe.